Alright, you guys, so today we're going to take care of that exhaust leak. We're at my mechanics. We're going to pick this car up and hopefully get the exhaust leak fixed. Oh, you guys, right there. I want to get on the. I don't know. I think I'm straight. Let's find out. It's hard to get out of the car when you're in between a lift. Oh, here he comes. How I look? That's good?
Oh, yeah.
I can turn it off? And that's how you get on a lift. That's how you get on the lift. I think. Let go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You should have saw all the traffic heading up here.
Really? That came from Colorado.
I guess everybody's either going camping, going hiking, going on a little field trip, or enjoying their Saturday like the way they're supposed to. Unlike you and me, we're fixing an exhaust leak. She did it. I didn't do it. She did it. She did it. How many other exhausts do you touch?
A lot.
Oh.
Did one every day.
Almost fell.
What?
Said I almost fell.
Don't move. Oh, you're gonna do it. That's much lower. Raise it back up. Go.
What other jobs do you have for today?
Done. Got it?
Yep. has like a type of rattle to it. I'm gonna take you guys over there. So it was just the one.
Wow.
I am upset.
Why?
Because I bought 4.
So you're going to need them.
I mean, yeah, but I was expecting to be at least 2 to be used.
Don't send them back. They weren't fucking wrong.
Oh no, I'm aware of that, especially with aftermarket stuff. Huh?
Get.
Yep. Quick and easy.
No, you did.
Really?
Right in.
Also need to get some tires. Maybe. Yeah, definitely. I have like a tire gauge, but
Sound good now.
it does. And now I don't have to hear that buzzing.
Busted muffler sound over here.
Every time I would start it up, if I'm like how I was parked in the morning, I was parked in front of the door. So
I can't stand the leaking sound of the exhaust.
yeah, it just sounds like something's rattling, like something was loose. And I'm just like, I know nothing is loose because you torqued it down.
Burn that gasket out. See right through the pistol.
Oh, I need that. Oh, that's gonna sound so much better. No more buzzing or rattling or whatever that sound is. Sound like a screw is loose.
Yeah, it's fucking busted exhaust that somebody fell off.
Well, that was the job.
You ain't taking a Nissan, it's already $500.
Would they actually charge me $500 for that?
How'd you see how many do exhaust work? It's always hot.
It's like, oh, we had to wait till it cooled down, so we had to use our electricity and our fans.
Oh, they'll make that shit.
Then we had to check the O2 sensor to make sure they were good and make sure that wasn't the problem while I was rattling. Then we had to take off the entire exhaust.
It's $195 diagnostic fee. Even though if you told them what was wrong with it, they're still going to show
Yeah, like when I told them that I needed a new O2 sensor upstream, they was like, yeah, we're going to do a diagnostic just to make sure. It's like, no, I already know what it is. It's the O2 sensor.
$195 for the shop.
It's like, well, we're going to use our scanner just to make sure. I was like, okay, I should just leave. And it was like, yeah, it was the O2 sensor. So did you want to go ahead and swap them? Then they'll take it off the lift, take the car back to you, and then ask you, hey, do you want to do this today? It's why I brought it in.
Isn't it back there, buddy?
She's like, what are you doing? It's like, oh, we just wanted to make sure. I told you when I came in, I needed this done. Damn.
Okay.
It's gone through.
Man, burn up.
Damn.
We won't use them no more.
This was the ones that came with the exhaust, right?
Yeah.
They gave us like, what, 4 or 3 or something? They gave us a,
You shorted us. A couple of them, remember?
yeah. I think they gave us like 3.
I had
And
some in that fucking box. Saved your ass that day.
took it back off,
Yeah.
put the old exhaust back on.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, we'll just wait.
Get one off that old exhaust. Then get the one out of the box. Another one out of the box. Fucking bastards.
That's burnt through.
Burn out. Told you to burn out.
It's even like coming off. I could actually, hold on. Let me, I wanna open it. I wanna open it.
Open that shit outside. It's got fiberglass in it.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like if it would have been on there for a little bit longer, the whole gasket would have probably did this.
No, it disintegrated.
Damn. Why do they make gaskets out of fiberglass? That's the stuff that you burn
I've
off.
never seen an aluminum gasket like through like that. Never. And I used to have race cars with headers and shit and high end exhaust on them. Never seen them burn. Those were the kind that used to last.
Well, they're probably cheaping out somewhere.
Somewhere.
There's a lot of those nowadays. When I come here and I
See all the fiberglass mat? See all that shit right there?
Yeah.
Now that one's solid with it.
Uh-huh.
Plus it's got that ring on the inside.
yeah,
It'll help last longer.
I hope I don't have to touch that for at least 2 to 3 years. But if I'm making more power at some point, I want to sit in between 500 to 600, and that's my cap. I'm already like right there under 400.
That's the my fucking pool
Actually, while I'm here, let me see something. Let me see something. That's not that complicated. I mean, yeah. Hang on, guys. I know it's the breathable hose for the intake and the motor, but this is supposed to allow what? Better.
pulls vacuum out of the crankcase.
Should be right there. Oh, then I'm gonna have to sell these, get some of my money back.
I'm probably sale.
I bought these for $5, and then the race intake one I bought for maybe $100 more because it was on sale. So in a way, I'm kind of upset that I bought these first, but at the same time, I'm not, because if I would have got the race ones, I would have needed a tune. And these have almost been on for a year as well. Big would have been like, no, I can't breathe. So we're gonna need to cut it right here. Right here. See if I have something to like. I don't know why I'm looking. I don't have anything. Oh. That's where you've been. One last thing to do when the racing takes it on. And that's off. Jeez, I think something went in my eye. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's like it's always this eye. Waking up, going to work. It's this eye. It always bothers me. Damn. That's a gorgeous back. All we need is these, and we're good. This is temporary. If I can find like a whole piece, we'll be good. And we'll be good. As far as the carbon fiber mirror caps, I have no clue when they'll be in. Hasn't even started being delivered. Nice and snug in there. And like that, we're slightly more beautiful in the engine bay. These will be carbon. I think he's gonna help me with it, I'm not sure. All in a day's work. Or morning's work. What was that, an hour? get a new one of these. This at some point. All right, you guys, I was expecting that to take a little bit longer. I thought 2 of them were messing up. It was just one. The same side that I need that keeps telling me that I'm rich. So I cleared the code. We'll drive around for a little bit. I need some gas too. So after that, I'm still expecting it to say I'm running rich, but I feel like it's definitely a fuel injector or 2 fuel injectors. We won't know till we dive into that part, but that's going to be a video for another day. However, I will be honest with you guys, the next modification will definitely be the race intake and our little friend right here, the front bash bar. It sounds so much better, you guys. Here, I'm gonna sit you guys right there while I'm backing up. It sounds so much better. So much better. And then we put the PVC breathable hose on. Now I feel like I'm actually doing something really right with the car, just having both of those 2 things done. The other one was plastic. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it, but I mean, that plastic was on there since the car first got made. But I've cleared my check engine. Car sounds good. Everything's done. Now we're gonna get some gas and probably look around for like, oh my gosh, that sounds crazy. The car definitely sounds different. Oh my gosh, I didn't know that would be that big of a difference. The other one might be going out because I still hear the little. It sounds way better. Oh.
Where did you do this at?
Flip it. Because the toe part is supposed to be on the bottom.
Tied. I mean, not zip tied, ratchet strapped.
How many times you gon' hold it up and push it back? Got no time to be standing around. Go get yourself a bag. Too much time spending